Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. A little bit of everything. We have some Home Depot, Harbor Freight, Acme tools, Amazon, of course. Everything's going to be linked down below. For the Acme tools, they are good for only today. That is March 31st, part of their last brand standing deals. Everything else will be good for a little bit longer. First thing I have for you is on Amazon, the digital tire pressure gauge, something everyone needs one of these, up to 150 PSI. This is by AstroAI. Now, this product has been around for a long time. I think they sent me one of these like 7 or 8 years ago, but super handy. I love the backlit LCDs. You can actually see it in a low light situation, like on the side of the road or something terrible. But it's on sale right now for $7.59, but then also we have a 50, that is 50% promo code. So it's going to be under $4. If you're a Prime member, you're getting free shipping. Perfect thing to keep in the center console, the glove box, you know, whatever. But we have 2 different codes you can even try. That guy right there. Now, that's going to end at the end of day tomorrow. This one, I don't know the expiration date, but they're both 50%. So if one doesn't work, try the other. Of course, when you click on that, it copies it to your clipboard. So you can easily paste it at the checkout screen. Now, for the first Acme tool deals I want to share with you, it's the Stanley 12-in-1 multi-tool with holster. Really like these for like a tackle box going fishing or something. It's handy to have all this instead of the individual pieces. But another glove box staple to get you out of a bind. $9.99, normally $32. Of course, for Acme, you got to get up to $1.99 for the free shipping, or you're paying a flat rate $6.49. So you may want to spread that out if you don't get to the free shipping threshold over multiple products. But Home Depot right now sells the same thing for $32, and Ace Hardware $28. Also, all the Acme tools posts when you go over to my website have this link for the full deals of the last brand standing. I didn't post every deal that they have today, just the ones that I liked best. So that's available for you. Back to Amazon, we have a Xuntui Ratchet Set, 90-tooth, 1/4, 3/8, half-inch drive. You're also getting extensions to go with it by Xuntui. The little stubby guys. Now, here's the thing. Yes, it's an unknown commodity. We don't know much about this brand. At least I don't. Maybe you're super familiar with it, and you can leave a comment letting everyone else know. But I don't know much about it. But one thing I do like is being stubby, you're more probably in a tight situation than a high torque situation. On a cheap ratchet, I'm worried about breaking. I'm worried about leaning on it and busting my ass when like a tooth breaks or something. You're not leaning on a stubby. It's a stubby. You're getting into tight places. So makes you feel a little bit better about the quality. It could be super good, I just don't know. $32.99, 50% off with the promo code here. It's supposed to go through the end of the 30th, so just north of $15. 3 ratchets, extensions, it's $5 a piece, and 3 extensions, essentially. Now back to Acme Tools, we've got some Sawzall blades. 10 plus 10, I'm guessing that means a 20-pack. Why don't we just say 20? Why do you make me do math? I'm terrible at math. I embarrass myself in every video attempting to do math, and here you are giving me more math. I don't know how I feel about this. Comes in the handy-dandy case, got metal, wood, looks like some pruners there. $9.97. Really amazing deal for that many blades. 50 cents a blade. You're getting good name brands. You get the little case. When you wear these out, you can put some other blades in there. You put some Harbor Freight, oh shit, Warrior brand, that's their reciprocating saw brand, the cheapies. Put some of those in there. Now look, Home Depot sells the same ones for $22. Not a tool deal, but I like it. Portable Bluetooth speaker with lights, powerful stereo sound, small wireless speaker, waterproof. I'm going to find out if the speaker I have is waterproof. I left it out in the rain. I forgot it on the deck. And I was just watching it in the rain from the window like, shit. Well, it's already wet. No point in getting it now. Hopefully it's waterproof. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Normally $29.99, but check it out. 55% off. Going to be under $15. It does work for multiple quantities if you need more than one. Nice little Bluetooth speaker. I love these speakers. I pretty much listen to music all day long. If I'm in the house, got the stereo going, and outside, like doing the yard work. I got to show you some of the pictures of what I got going on out in the yard. You know, last year we put up the flagpole, and it was just in the grass. There was nothing around it, so I built a little retaining wall ring around it. It was 120 blocks I had to go pick up. My back is just loving that. And the truck was doing one of those, what do they call it? Oh, what do they call it? Is it called uh, it was squatted, okay? I had a squatted truck. I felt like a total douchebag. I'm like, the blocks aren't above the bed. It just looks like a squatted truck. This is terrible. I look like a schmuck. Get this stuff out of my truck so it can be back to normal height. But it was a fun project. It turned out really good. It's not finished, but I think it looks amazing. I don't know how we got. Oh, Bluetooth speaker, listening to music out there. See, it all comes back around. It's circular. Takes a second to get there, but we get there, okay? Small maintenance electrician's pouch, heavy duty, ballistic. You can shoot it. Polyester. Flashlight. Tool sleeve. When I think tool sleeve, I think of something else. But here it is. Now check this out. Normally $25, on sale for $11, but right now on the Amazon page we have a 20% coupon. You're going to be in the $8 range when it's all said and done. Gotta love a tool pouch. Boy, I was working out there, didn't have a tool pouch, digging around in my pockets, playing pocket pool out in the yard. Can't get the shit I need out of my pocket. Would have been great to have a tool pouch. Acme Tools. Milwaukee 7-in-1 multi-bit mini ratchet. Love these. I have the Klein one, which is almost the same thing. It looks pretty damn similar. But you got the 1/4-inch hex there. That's probably maybe a thumb wheel on the backside. Not really sure because I don't own this specific thing. But you got a little clip there. You can use it as a keychain. Comes with the little bit holders. Even got that little 1/4-inch adapter so you can put sockets on there. Of course, those are just regular insert bits if you need something else. $13.97, normally $22.97, and that is the price at Home Depot. And then Ace Hardware, $26.99, so about half price. Really kind of cool. Even got a little finger hole in there. My second favorite finger hole. Third. Milwaukee 10-foot keychain with keychain tape with light. I don't know. It's kind of gimmicky. But it's only $6.49. It's cool that it has the light. I'm going to guess that's a disposable battery in there. Probably one of those little like button batteries, you think? I don't even see where the light is. Where the hell did they put the light? It's $12.97 at Home Depot, twice the price. I'd probably only just chuck this in if I was already getting something else. Like, screw it. I'm already getting them saw blades. Might as well get me a little baby tape measure. Man, we're just filling up your glove box in this video. The glove box, the center console, you're going to be good to go. You're going to be like MacGyver. Oh, man. I almost posted a duct tape deal because it was really good. It was 6 rolls for like $12. They're $2 a roll. But there was only a few left, and I thought, no, because a few people are going to buy it, and then everyone else is going to be pissed that it was sold out. So everyone misses out now. See what happens? See what happens when you bitch at me about things? Everyone loses out. 3-pack, 3-in-1 car safety hammer, seatbelt cutter, and survival whistle. Safe, transparent lid. Guessing the safe, transparent lid part so you don't like stab yourself or accidentally break your window. It's kind of cool. These things are like it's like a little spring-loaded center punch, and pow, you don't have a window no more. Seatbelt cutter. That way when you drive off the bridge, when you're Tiger Woods and you drive off the bridge and put your car in the river because you're a billionaire who's too good for like getting some kind of car service to drive you around, you'd rather just do your best to kill somebody. But when you drive off the bridge and land in the water, then you can use your seatbelt cutter so you can get out. He's really kind of pathetic. Dude, it's the 35th time you've been drunk or on whatever medication you're on, and I think at least 2 or 3 other times he actually rolled his car too. Like, get your shit together. What the fuck's wrong with you? It really actually kind of annoys me. $27.99, 50% off on the seatbelt cutter. So only $14, and you're getting three of them. That's like $3 or $4 a piece. Got a little sucky for you. Electric electric vacuum suction cup for glass. Digital display, 8-hour battery. It's a long one. Tile, floor, windshield, 3-layer leak proof. These things are great. Mirrors, big ass smooth tile, any kind of glass. Boy, breaking glass sucks. What a damn mess to clean up. $59.99, 50% off. That's 50. Works for multiple quantities, which is actually kind of nice because there's definitely situations where you'd want two. You need a lefty and a righty. It's only $29.99. It's a good deal. Now we're splitting hose. 2-pack of hose splitters. Heavy duty faucet splitter. I like hose splitter better. Even get some replacement little rubber seals. You'll lose those before you ever need them, so I don't know if it really matters. I like the individual valve on each one. That's great. You got to have that on a splitter, otherwise that would kind of be weird. I actually need one of these. I should be buying this. $19.99, 50% off. That's $10, $5 a piece. Load, baby, load. There we are. Over to Home Depot. Now we have the DeWalt 20-volt atomic oscillating tool. It's kind of interesting. Oh, give me back to the regular picture. What the hell are you doing to me here? Yeah, I don't see the word atomic on it. They're kind of like, they're not discontinuing the atomic stuff, but they're discontinuing the branding of atomic. So like this page still says atomic on it, but I'm guessing eventually it won't. But I don't think it's actually going to change the model number. I think it's just, anyway. $179 normally, new low price down to $89. So what I really like about this is every once in a while we get a damn mouse over and things pop up unexpectedly. But also, in addition to that, you know, we see the promo codes for these, the promos, the discounts, typically in Q4 around Christmas and everything. And about the best price you'll get is $99 on the full kit. And it'll be an oscillating tool, the battery, the charger. But usually the battery is like the 1.5 amp hour. So for a lot of people, that just isn't worth much. And a lot of us don't need another charger. Like, I have 35 DeWalt chargers. Do I need a 36 one? I mean, maybe. I'm going to hem and haw a little bit about it. Maybe. Masse Manos. Is that what it is? Masse Manos? But so I really like $89. Bare tool, don't got to worry about a little battery that I really don't want, or a charger that I don't need, and oscillating tools are pretty nice. So let's go for it at $89. Now, Harbor Freight, this weekend we got a new free item coupon. You know, instead of doing individual free item coupons, they've gone to a new format where one coupon works for several things. Now, I only saw the regular coupon itself, which is right here. Usually, or sometimes, there is an Inside Track Club member alternative that either is no purchase required or might start early. And usually they email that out to Inside Track Club members, I guess. I am an Inside Track Club member. I guess I should pay more attention to their emails. But anyways, I haven't seen that yet. All I saw is the coupon. But you can at least get prepared, kind of get a game plan going. It goes through the 2nd to the 4th. You know, they're going to limit you to one per person, but you can go in and out, and it's just up to the cashier in the store or whatever on how many you can actually get. You got the big coat thing, which I got that in the last sale. It's a little thin, you know. It's super big, but then it's thin. So like put a blanket in it or something, but don't put heavy stuff. It does have 2 different handles, a long handle and a short handle, which is kind of neat. I haul a lot of shit around, so I kind of like the bag, although it's clunky and it's almost too big, but whatever, it's there. The magnetic parts tray, that's the 4-inch version. It's the smaller one. They have a 6-inch as well. This is probably my favorite in here because I'm always slapping these magnet things on different things, and I just need it, and this is what I'm going to be getting. Screwdriver, I mean, let's be honest, it's like a little piece of shit, so whatever. You know, if you want to throw it in a drawer, like a junk drawer, so you have another screwdriver, go for it. But I don't see any purpose in getting that one. The LED light's okay. It's not rechargeable. You got to put disposable batteries in it. It's got this front light. It's got the side light there. And I believe it has a hook and a magnet on the back side. I own one of these, but it's been a long time since I've picked it up. Pretty sure there's a magnet on the back and there a hook there. So it could definitely be useful, and it's free and it's LED. So sure, why not? So my order of operations would probably be 1, 2, 3, and I'm not even going to give that a 4. It's just worse. I'm going to update this picture, and I'm just going to make the whole thing white right here. I'm just going to remove that screwdriver. Just be like, you know what? No one wants that. Of these options, that's terrible. All right, guys, that is it for the latest deals. Everything's going to be linked down below. That Home Depot one, use the YouTube shopping link. You already saw that pop up somewhere on the screen. And thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.